So I would like to give you a pro tip on how to approach me, and probably like most every relationship, and also probably every professional that you might want to work with. Okay. Some of you, and sometimes it's the younger guys, they treat me like I'm a menu at a restaurant. People just will reach out and say, hey, I want a session with you right now. Or, now how can I get cuddled right now? It's like, yeah. Or, hey, I want this other type of session, and can you do it? I find it quite endearing because people are putting themselves out there. They're telling me what they want. They're being direct. It's clear. And it's lacking something. It's missing something. So for those of you who like to figure out puzzles, pause this video now and see if you can figure out what is missing. And at the meta level, what I'm trying to accomplish here, the bigger picture of what my sessions are about, that doesn't work. So I tell people when they say, can we do this very particular type of session? Okay, I'll give you an example because I don't like keeping these in the vague. Could I spend time with your feet, for 60 minutes? I don't know. You can fill in the blank on other things that people might ask. And so I say this. What I'm trying to do that you don't realize. I mean, you coming for a session, you want touch, you want this, like you want to get your needs met, you are lacking. It's been hard. There's so much stress. Even just saying you want this thing is already taking everything out of you. And what I'm inviting you to is a relationship. A relationship. Slow down. Be present. Feel yourself. Feel emotions. Feel scared. Feel sad. Angry. Feel me. Come in. Surrender. Relax. Be loved. Be cared for. Get to know me. Get to know yourself. Really is more about getting to know yourself. And now we have this new connection, this new thing that we didn't have before. Well, that's what I tell people, but that's actually not what I really think. Even if I've never met you before, there's something sometimes wildly familiar. So, I invite you to a relationship with me. Even if we only see each other once every 3 to 6 months, once it starts, it goes on for infinity, right? It's forever because we impact each other. How could we not? I'm realizing I'm sweating a lot. I'm walking. It's a pretty humid, hot day here. So I share all this with you so you can think about kind of where you're at with all that, and if that's something that you want. And I can understand some of you are like, I don't want that. So I invite you to go to other cuddle websites, Cuddle Comfort, where I'm sure it's like you ask someone, hey, cuddle me. They say yes, here's my fee. Maybe they try to get you to pay them more for other things. Oh my gosh. And you get it. They hold you. And that's, you know what? And that's cool. Like, some people totally want that. And I say, go get that. Or go to the escort. Or go, there are people out there that just want to do that. And that's fantastic. And I completely support that. In a relationship, though, where we're intentional with each other, and we slow down, then later, sometimes requests come up. Sometimes we need safety and trust to say the thing that we're scared to say. Sometimes people will tell me their secrets. Be like, and even if it might be very platonic, very benign, very like, they think, oh, this is such a scary thing. And then, and I'm always like, oh, what could it be? What could it be? And it often is not. But to them, it's been the thing that has completely like horrified them. And in an adult, consenting, loving, kind, nurturing, affectionate connection, we can make different types of decisions and explorations. But at the end of the day, it's about the relationship. It's about being seen. It's about you impacting me too. Because how could you not? So I trust that as this lands in you, in your body, in your heart, your mind, when you approach me either through my request form or text message, introduce yourself. Say hello. Say, this is who I am. This is what I'm looking for. This is my story. And please get back to me at your earliest convenience. Wow. And I'm like, oh, I can't wait to meet that person. That person seems amazing. So, okay. Especially you young guys. You're eager beavers. Take time to enjoy your life in the moment and share who you are. And let yourself be seen. And create safety and love and trust. There are rewards for being who you are. The heart of you. And if those of you who can still just go, hey, I ain't a cuddle solution now. I will say, hello, would you please introduce yourself? Because that's, some people just don't know. So, it's okay. Okay. Off I go.